Hello dear champs, I am this sir. I am a faculty in Department of Chemistry for Iit Jee and NEET. I have been working in a national brand since last 9 years. Today I am going to discuss with you how to manage the time, how to manage the round the clock time for an Iit Jee and NEET aspirant. My dear students, there are 24 hours in a day. And in the 24 hours, if I divide that 24 hours into 3 exclusive time zones of 8 hours each, we are going to divide 24 hours into 3 zones, 8, 8 and 8. Each 8 hours, utility plays a major role. First 8 hours, I will exclusively dedicate for your sleeping. Sleeping gives eternal energy to the body. The body needs a mega rest. Body is like a system, like a machine. It needs rest, it needs servicing. So while you're sleeping, your body gets servicing and gets ready for the next job. So per day, 8 hours sleep, drinking, eating is a must. In that 8 hours, you have to divide the time in between for your food, your dressing, your bathing and sleeping. The next 8 hours comes for your time to gather, to grab the knowledge. Use those time in your college, in your coachings, in your institutes. Go to your teachers, ask your doubts, be attentive in the class and exclusively remember, try to learn and remember in the class only. If you try and remember in the class, then the time of rereading it in the home will be saved. If you learn in the class, practice at home. The third 8 is the most important 8. That is you. This third and the vital 8 hours will make your career, because sleeping, going to institutes, learning from online studies are all same for everyone. But the final 8 hours, the vital 8 hours that will make her career is very important. The final 8 hours is self-study practice. Let me tell you one example. While you were kids, when you got your first formula of your life, a plus b whole square, that is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. It was quite difficult in your part to remember those formulas. But did you remember? After doing 3 to 4 sums on that, you remember it in quick succession. You remembered the formula for a quite long time. Same in case of a trigonometry. It was very difficult for you to remember the formulas like sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. It took a very long time to remember all the trigonometry formulas. But do you remember? Once you practice those trigonometry formulas, it was quite easy for you to remember. Same thing in calculus, same thing in mathematics, and same thing in physics, chemistry. Whatever the lectures your faculties are giving you, my dear students, studying is not important. Practicing is very important. Practice, focus, analyze, understand, teach yourself. This is the exclusive 8 hours of your comprehensive study. It's only you. Never miss that 8 hours of self-study each day for yourself. That will bring up the best of you. Give your best. I don't ask you to get the rank 1 in All India tests, but be rank 1 of your persons. Be the best of your persons. That is how you manage the entire day. Now let me come for the practice concepts. Daily, try to target yourself to do as many hours maths from mathematics, questions of physics, chemistry, of the current topics. And never forget to find an exclusive time in the final vital 8 hours for the re-revisions of the old topics. Re-revisions plays a major role in retaining the studies which you have studied in the past. So for the retentions, propagations and channelations is the process. For retentions, re-revisions. For propagations, the current studies. And for channel lessons, you have to go for practice. Practice, practice, and practice. And it's very true that practice makes a man perfect. You know what is the basic difference between ordinary and extraordinary? The basic difference between ordinary and extraordinary is practice. So never forget to practice. Practice makes a man perfect. Be perfect, be very, very perfect, and it can be only done by practice. There is a theory in thermodynamics. The first law of thermodynamics states that energy can never be created nor destroyed. It only changes from one form to the other form. You know, it means the energy you spent today will definitely return back to you tomorrow. The amount of hard work, the consistency, the focus you involve, your involvement in the studies, in the hard work will give you a return. And what's that? Your rank, your exclusive rank, your career as an engineer, your career as a doctor, your career as a multiple scientist. Many things are lagging in this epidemic world where we, the humankind, the mankind, the entire living organisms is struggling for what? To find a dose, a vaccine for COVID. We are lacking scientists. We are now 6 months affected with the pandemic, but we have no solutions for this. My dear students, work hard for your country. Be that elegant that you can crack any virus. Be that elegant that you can crack any antis to this body, any antis to this country, any antis to this mankind. As the motto of every human being should be service to mankind. That should be motto of your life that will give you exclusive happiness. Work hard, my dear students, as our great philosophers and great people have said, arise, awake, and stop not till your goal is reached. For today, this much from your business sir. I'll be coming back with some more thoughts of time management and exclusive discussions on the chemistry paper, how to prepare for your chemistry paper for your IIT and JEE. So for today, that much. Thank you. Bye-bye.